Will you marry me?
Yes.
Aww. Nah, just kidding. Hi guys, no matter if you are already married, planning to get married, or don't feel like getting married at all, marriage is really complicated, and the laws of marriage can be even more complicated, and it's very common for people to not fully understand the laws. For example, the religious marriage ceremony conducted in religious places are recognized by law, and child marriage is illegal in Malaysia. And in this video, we'll correct all of the misconceptions today.
Hi guys! Welcome to this new episode of the Debaters! Yay! I am Kwan Yu.
I am Jason.
According to the latest statistic published by the government, there were more than 200,000 couples getting married in the 2021 COVID season, huh?
Okay, that's actually quite a lot.
Yeah. Congratulations anyways! The average age for guys getting married is at the age of 28 years old, and the average age for women getting married is 26 years old.
So why are you not getting married yet?
Let's move on!
I still get 4 years.
Let's move on. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, there is a conspiracy saying that if you subscribe to our channel today, your crush will soon be your boyfriend or your girlfriend.
真的吗？
Oh, okay, let me unsubscribe and subscribe. Okay, done.
Without further ado, let's get started. Misconception number 1. One size fits all marriage laws. People often have the misconception that there's a single one size fits all marriage law that applies to all Malaysians. Well, guess what? It's not quite that simple.
Oh, is it? Okay.
In Malaysia, we follow a dual legal system when it comes to marriage law. There are two sets of law, one for Muslims and one for non-Muslims. For instance, Muslims follow the Sharia law for marriage, which has their own set of regulations. This involves specific rituals, requirements, and regulations that are rooted in Islamic teaching and traditions. On the other hand, there is a different legal framework for non-Muslims. This is based on civil laws and statutes that are applicable to various religious and ethnic groups such as Buddhists, Christians, Hindus, etc. And each religion will have their unique customs and practices associated with the marriage.
Yeah, and the civil law actually covers atheists as well, who actually refers to those who don't believe in God at all.
So it is essential to understand which sets of regulations applies to your situation. For the purpose of this video, the laws we will be mentioning for the rest of the video are for non-Muslims, aka civil and marriage. Misconception number 2. Child marriage is illegal.
Pedophile.
So the UNICEF defines child marriage as any formal marriage, an informal union between a child under the age of 18 and an adult or another child. And for non-Muslims, the law clearly states that both male and female has to be at least 18 years old to get married.
Okay.
And that's the reason why many people think that getting married under the age of 18 years old is illegal. However, this is not the case actually. For civil law of Malaysia, we actually allow the state chief ministers to grant female between the age of 16 to 18 the permission to get married.
Well, it's true that child marriage is not common in the cities, but believe me or not, child marriage is a lot more common in kampong or village, especially where the people are not so educated. Like our previous generation, all get married at the age of 18 or 19 or 20, but at a very young age. But look at us now, still struggling to survive.
So this is a very serious social problem that needs to be looked at very seriously, as child marriage deprives children and their rights to education, safety, health, and social mobility. Oh, one more, most importantly, economical opportunities. So in 2020,
Wawasan 2020.
there were a total of 1354 child marriage, and in 2021, the number decreased by 20%, which is 1042. It's actually getting better.
It's
But
actually
still a
getting
lot.
better, still a lot, but yeah.
During COVID season,
I know,
it's
right?
worse.
It could be more right now.
We don't know. Oh, anyways, it will take a collective effort from the government, NGOs, and even parents to raise social awareness about child marriage. And our government has been urged to increase the legal age of getting married to 18 years old with no exception, which means the child marriage will be gone. But as of now, we still have the child marriage. So whoever who want to get married early, go get married right now. Or else afterwards, you don't have the chance anymore.
But don't lah. Think properly first before you get married.
That's true.
Marriage
It's very
is
serious.
complicated.
Marriage is very serious. It's a unite of, it's not only two of you, it's two families.
Exactly. So yeah, think properly.
Yeah. Anyways, misconception number 3. Recognition of religious marriage. It is very common that we have the thinking that our marriage is not completed unless the ceremony is carried out in a religious place. For example, churches and temples.
Not for atheists.
That's true, not for atheists. But that's very normal because we want the blessing from the God.
Well, I want to have my wedding on the beach or the glass house, not a church or temple. It's more romantic there, isn't it?
Don't forget your dad is a pastor, right? But which one is more expensive? A beachside marriage is more expensive, right, than a church marriage.
Of course, our church actually no need to pay. People will pay me. Ang pao.
While these ceremonies hold deep cultural and religious significance, they are not legally binding unless they are solemnized by an assistant registrar of marriage, which means you're not married in the eyes of law.
Solemnize. Why the word you use so deep? Can you explain in simple English?
Basically, it means the marriage is formalized.
Formalized.
Yeah.
Formalized or solemnize. Hey.
It is what written in the book, in the statute.
True, actually.
Anyways, the person may be a minister, a priest, or a sifu of any church or temple who has been appointed as an assistant registrar. Marriages.
So yeah, 天后宫, churches and all the temples do this, but where do the atheists go? They don't believe in God.
They go to GPL lah.
True.
Yeah, Putrajaya. No need to queue up some more.
Okay.
Nice.
So the legal validity of marriage is tied to the registration process, not the religious ceremony. Even if you have a grand religious ceremony at churches, temples, whatever,
Balloon.
it's the registration with the authorities that will give you your marriage legal standing. So if you want to have religious ceremony, always double check and make sure that the church or the temple has the assistant registrar of marriage. If not, then you still have to go through the normal process of going to JPN and fill in the form and give a notice of marriage to the registrar of the marriages and have your marriage solemnized there.
Formalized there. But make sure you don't go to the JPN on a Friday. It's either there will be too many people there or no one is working, government department. Or, it's Friday. People don't have to move to work.
People go pray lah, people help you to solemnize. Anyways, misconception number 4. Common law marriage. I'm serious that some people still think that common law marriage are recognized in Malaysia.
Oh, okay.
The older
I'm
ones
surprised.
actually. The younger ones don't even know what.
They don't even want to get married, put it this way.
That's true. For those of you who have not heard of the terms, as in of the term, common law marriages, it's a misconception that couples live together for a number of years will have their relationship recognized by the law and have the legal rights as married couples. But no, not at all. No matter how many years you guys have been together, if you do not follow the law and go through the proper process of registering your marriage with JPN, you are unmarried in the eyes of law. I'm so sorry, you guys. And you're not entitled to any legal right given to the married couples.
Well, that's very fair, in my opinion. Well, look, the married couples, they have to go through so many dramas, so many formal process to end the relationship.
Spend so much money.
In other words, getting a divorce, paying the lawyer and all. Well, couples just say, I want to break up and block all the social media and done. That's it. Don't have to do anything. So easy.
Why you so experienced, huh?
Because that's what my ex did to me. Wait,
So what's most important is registering your marriage with the authorities. Registering your marriage provides legal recognition and safeguard for you, your partner, and any kid you may have. It's the first step to ensure your rights and responsibilities, and all these are protected under law.
So yeah, very important. Register your marriage. Thank you for watching all the way here. Well, today we have debunked some common misconceptions that people have about marriage, and hopefully you find our video helpful and interesting. Remember, Malaysia is a multiracial country, and the most important thing is to understand and respect the cultures, customs, and practices of other communities. So now we are done with the marriage, and what happens after that? Well, sadly, divorce. Well, 2 weeks later, we will share another video with you about the most common misconceptions that people have about divorce. So stay tuned. The debaters, if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as what we said before, if you subscribe to our channel today, you will get into a relationship with your crush very soon. Do it now, do it now. So, and please do not forget to press the notification bell so that you will not miss out on any of our future videos. So the debaters, stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay excited for our next video. See ya!